Wait. Oh, for real? I mean, what you looking at, man? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know I need a platinum just to go with my fucking sneezer piece. Shit. Motherfucker, you know, I'll just be buying shit all day. Shit, I'll be buying sneezers left and right. Sneezer pieces, nigga. Yeah. You ain't never heard of sneezer piece over there? Yeah, nah. Sneezer pieces is, wait. It's like with the watch and shit. Shit, I ain't got no cell phone no more. I got me a fucking watch. And a sneezer piece. Oh, did you see that girl with the sneezer? Still looking sexy, got a sneezer right there. Red, maybe gold or purple. It don't matter, you're sexy cause you sneezer. Put the sneezer, get it in the eye. Oh, wipe the sneezer. Oh, you got a little bit right there? Oh, it's all good, this is the pimp juice. I'm the sneezer king. Oh. 3, boom, boom. This is a shocker. This is the 3 fingers they say 4. You might as well go for it. Boom. Elbow deep. Be careful. Rock it back. Real nice and real fucking slow. Put a lot of lube up it in your hand. You gotta smell that shit, man. After you do it, man, man, my sneezer smelling real good. No, wait, that's my arm. That's that pussy. I was fucking so elbow deep up in that shit going. Man, girl, what's wrong? You can't quit looking at me in the face? Oh, you looking at my sneezer piece, that's right. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's like, don't put your fist in a fist. Put it like that, like a cunt, like that. But I wanted to do the fist like a man. It's a tiny fist, it ain't that big, but it really gets up in there, ain't fucking dicks. I might do that, and then I might sit going like that, say, nasty motherfucker, Mac, I don't want to be double-fisted. I'll be real gentle, I promise. Quit looking at my sneezer, just concentrate on my ice. You don't know about my sneezer. Later. Man, I left the tip, did you see this? You see my sneezer? Does my sneezer look like I would leave a tip that would be unsubstantial to your services? Yeah, here, hold on a second. I pay with everything with sneezer. You can have my sneezer recycle claim. Here. What, boy? You're gonna do it. You're gonna like it if you want it. Okay, man. Oh my god. Yeah, I just do the best shit. You got the sneezer recycled. What are you doing? I ain't never seen nobody do that shit like that on my sneezer. Sneezer whistle. My sneezer whistle. Recycled dust and what you'd be like, It's got a little MDMA, maybe like some Dex, some K and some angel dust and maybe a little fucking coke from yesterday or today, days before. I don't know. But it's got something. In my sneezer. Hey, y'all know already. Everybody wants a sneezer piece. What's a sneezer piece? I've been trying to tell you. You only can have a sneezer piece. If somebody has to dedicate, tell you what that piece is gonna be. You see, mine is the ice cubes. They ain't no fucking birthstones and no shit. I just like to ice them. Smell. That's my shit right there. You know, I'm putting back in the ear, get a little flavor going on. That's my own shit. That's my own aroma. My own man, my own shit, my own drama. You wanna whiff of that shit, you gonna get hooked. With the Crossroads, selling that soul. Fame and fortune, oh well, fuck it. Hated me, you hated on me all the fucking time. Said I ain't gonna amount to nothing, fuck that. Lesbians on sailboats, bitches, that's what I buy. Oh shit, fucking Google shit, motherfucker. I hang out with Trump and fucking Dennis Rodman. That would be fucking crazy. We would go to the best whorehouse and strip club, baby. I'll be like the asshole of the bunch. Say, come here and stick my dick in the lunch. A dick sandwich if you want to. Oh, Mr. Sneezer. That's a nice ice cubes. I feel like, man, look at my eyes, you know, my ear. I got my fucking ears froze, my wrist froze, my neck froze, my lip froze. Now my nose froze. Next, gonna be my eyes froze. Diamonds carrots on the seed. A rapper blessed with the 2G. The blacks, they hate me, the Mexicans like me. The Islam say, man, motherfucker ain't Arab, he crazy. What the fuck is he? Well, Latino descent maybe? Nah, a little bit. A little bit away, yeah. A little bit of black, yes sir, too much. Little bit of Mexican, a little too slow for lunch. Arab, man, I ain't on no store, but I sure like to go and fucking be jamming out in the Quickie Mart though. Rapping with the homies. He said, motherfucker, you don't buy no pizza, you go to no. I said, man, I've been coming here for years, dude. Chill the fuck out. This is my homie, this is my block, nigga. Go back where you came from on the block. On them hotels and trying to fucking take all our fucking locks. Go through our shit when we ain't there, motherfucker. Take a little something for you over there, player. But you ain't took my sneezer piece. You ain't never tried to get it. Try to get what's in my sneezer, forget it. I went to jail with my sneezer piece on. I said, motherfucker, get back, rookie, leave me alone, pussy. Take that shit off if you wanna get stuck. You fucking leave my sneezer piece alone and bitch, good luck. Oh, want another bong hit? I said, oh bitch, I'm too legit to quit. Back in the day, some MC Hammer. I'm gonna rewrite the raps, you're gonna own them, my grandma. Getting back with the rap. Man, I just did a spirit piece and hit if naps. I'm gonna buy me a real sneezer piece. That's a big rock, big ice E. Come to my hotel and watch some shit and watch levels on the couch and watch some gangster shit. Oh, I like see watching girls make out and fuck shit. It ain't just a conversation piece of good luck. Why not have one shit in my strip club? Shit, I got a barbecue buffet over there in the back room, love. Oh, barbecues, my strip club with my sneezer piece on. Smell like liquid smoke after the day, cause I've been smoking that shit all motherfucking day. Hell yeah, I cook shit. Cook them ribs, motherfucker, I get. That shit'll fall off the bone, you'll be like, damn, I smell like a barbecue when I go home. It's like, yeah, that's what's happening when you standing around the pit. Get blazed and get crunked and fucking icing and shit. Got your sneezer piece though? Man, where's your sneezer ass shit, fool? They look good. Everybody want a sneezer. Build a sneezer piece to give you buy a sneezer. I'm gonna give you the sneezer piece. Sneezer, please. I talk about my man Mac. I'm gonna get your sneezer piece. I said, sneezer piece. You see, like that, certain they need some more funk. You just take them out like that. I mean, you got a nice sneezer. Shut that's a perfect sneezer for my sneezer piece of shit. You ain't got no little sneezer piece up in that shit. Alright, y'all. Alright, every day, all day. At the end of the day, who takes care of what? Me. Who put this thing together? Me. Who do I trust? Me. That's who.